This is our election process here at Carver Middle School for our SGA student elections. They start here, they'll go to the registration table, and we have someone who will check off their names as they show them their voter registration card. And then we have our workers over here who hold up the signs to let them know that the stations are available. Students vote at the stations. And then we have our other workers over here distributing our I voted stickers.
It's very important for them to have this memory that they can latch onto so they can then utilize it in the classroom and on their tests so they remember it better as well.
This lesson is gonna have a good impact because it might get me ahead on the work because I already know they take your name, paper, ID, make sure you're 18.
I feel like it's pretty important because without it being hands-on, a lot of students wouldn't really understand.
As a teacher, we always try and make that difference in these kids' lives, so hopefully in a few years when they get old enough to vote and they do vote, that would be something that they look back and they remember doing it here.
I feel like it's important to, get used to it now. So in the future, when you're going to vote, you already know what's the deal, what's going on.
It helps me because I can physically see and understand on how the process works. So when I'm eligible to vote, it would be easier. It's just already in my mind on how to do it.